Everyone, welcome back to another video, and today what I have for everyone is my full review of another full protective case with integrated features for the iPhone 15 Plus. So today what I have for everyone is my full review of the DUEDUE case with MagSafe and integrated kickstand with full protection for the iPhone 15 Plus. So I've been using this case for a good amount of time, and I feel like I've gathered all my thoughts and opinions on it, and that's what I'm going to share with everyone here today in today's full review. Let me get some housekeeping done, and we'll dive into today's video. So today's video is being recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the Moto Edge 2020. Today's video is being recorded in full 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up, but I am using my professional studio lights here today, so please let me know what you guys and gals think of the overall video quality as well as the overall audio quality and the lighting. And as always, if this video piques your guys and gals interest, all the affiliate buy links as to where you guys and gals can pick up everything featured in today's video, all of the affiliate links for everything featured in today's video will be linked up down below in the video description. And as the name implies, if you guys and gals decide to make your purchase using the affiliate links located down below in the video description, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate links, in my opinion, a win-win for everyone. And if you would like to see more coverage on the iPhone 15 Plus itself, or any of the other recommended accessories that I've covered on the channel that I recommend for the iPhone 15 Plus, all of my extended coverage, included the coverage on the recommended accessories, will be linked up down below in the video description as well. So the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, housekeeping done, let's jump into today's video. Now, starting off here, the first thing I want to talk about with everyone is the overall build quality and design of the case itself. Now, the build materials in terms of the overall build quality are top-notch in my opinion. We have combinations of TPU, hard shell, and matte glossy plastic on the case in terms of the build materials, along with nice metal and magnets. Okay, so that's what we have in terms of the overall build materials on this case. All right, and overall I have to say the overall build quality on this case is top notch. Now, jumping over to the overall design of this case, I have to say this is one of my favorite designs for a case. And when we talk about the design, this gives you that full protection design, but it integrates a MagSafe magnet and a adjustable kickstand. Those are two of the highlighting features of this fully protective case. Alright, and this is another area where I have to say the design is top notch as well. If there was any one downside to the design, I don't know how well you guys and gals are going to see it. This is another case that I wish had a more fingerprint resistant or oleophobic coating to it, because this case does pick up a lot of fingerprints. So that is the one downside that I found to the overall design. Okay, but overall, as with the build quality, I would have to say the design of this case is top notch indeed. Alright, let's move on to some other important categories now. So up next, let's talk about the overall fit and feel of this case on my device. So you can see I got my iPhone 15 Plus right here. Let's go ahead and drop it in. And this is another area where I feel DUEDUE has done a great job. So you can see it drops perfectly onto my device. And we have all the appropriate cutouts for the cameras and the flash. We have all the appropriate cutouts for our charging port, microphones, and speakers. We do have a nice raised lip for our display. And we have all the appropriate cutouts for our mute slider as long as fully protected tactile buttons. Okay, so in regards to the fit, I have to say this is another category where I feel was done in a top-notch manner. So top-notch job, DUEDUE, in terms of the overall fit for the case. Now, talking about the overall feel in hand for the case, this is another area where I feel this case can use some improvement. Now, just holding it in my hand, it is still very, very slippery, and holding it with a loose grip, if I just so happen to shake my hand, you guys and gals can see I don't even have to shake much and it starts sliding out. And using this in the gym, when I was super sweaty, there were multiple instances where I almost dropped this, and I was like, oh damn, please don't break my brand new device. And this is where I have to say this was an area that definitely needs some improvements, because I wish it had a more grippy material to it, and the fact that it's still super slippery, I really don't like that. So in regards to the overall feel in hand, I'd have to say it's just okay. This is definitely an area where this case needs some improvements. So overall, when we talk about the overall fit and feel together, I'd have to say it's just really good across the board. Okay, really good indeed. Now, moving on, let's talk about the overall protection that this case provides, and I'm happy to report this case provides maximum protection. As we already alluded to, we got nice raised lips with a nice indentation to protect our cameras and our flash. And as you can see, it is camera lens protector friendly. I do have a nice third-party camera lens on here, and I do apologize that it looks dirty. When I put it on, I felt a crunch, and I was like, oh, I hope I didn't mess up my brand new cameras on my brand new device. And I saw what looked like a lint or a crack. But when I opened up the cameras, everything was working fine. But it was bugging me because every time I wiped it down, I thought there was a crack there. And so finally today, I couldn't take it anymore. I pulled the camera lens protector off, and the cameras were perfectly fine. There were just some lint that got caught around the edges, and it looked like a crack, but it wasn't. So I cleaned the inner camera lenses and I put it back down, and it went on perfectly. But now we have a whole bunch of lint and smudges around the corners. Again though, the cameras themselves work perfectly fine. No issues with the cameras, no issues with the video, and at the end of the day, that's all I care about. I want full protection and full performance for my device. But getting back on task here, sorry for that little tangent. You can see we got a full protection for our cameras, and it is camera lens protector friendly. So that's really, really nice. We got fully covered and protected buttons, but the buttons still maintain their clickiness. So it's still super clicky and super tactile. I really, really like that as well. And the same thing goes for our power buttons. And we got that nice indentated cutout for our mute slider. So that works perfectly fine as well. I can click it up, click it off. Perfectly fine. So in regards to the buttons in our cameras and our display, we have full protection. And then also the display area around the front is screen protector friendly as well. I do have a nice third-party screen protector on my device, and it works perfectly fine. So not only is the back camera lens protector friendly, but the front is screen protector friendly as well. So with this combination of case, camera lens protectors, and screen protector, we have a fully protected device. So if I just so happen to drop it face down, my device is fine. If I just so happen to drop it back down, my cameras are fine. And at the end of the day, that's what I want. So this case, in my opinion, definitely offers full protection for my device. So the protection on this is top-notch as well. Now let's move on and talk about some other important categories in regards to this case. So now, real briefly, I just want to summarize the positives and negatives of this case, and then we're going to talk about the overall pricing and availability, I'm going to give my overall final thoughts and make a recommendation as to whether or not I think you guys and gals should pick up this case if you're in the market for a fully protected case like this. Okay? So, if you watch no other part of this full review, as long as you watch these next two categories, you should get a really good overall general idea as to how I feel about this case right here. And disclaimer, I am not perfect and I never claim to be. So, if you guys and gals pick up this case and you experience a positive and or a negative that I did not mention, please leave your feedback down below in the comments. Only through providing our feedback can we get overall improvements on the products and devices that we spend our hard-earned money on. I'll have a full list of my positives and my negatives thrown up in the video in post. Please feel free to pause the video wherever you see the list that you're interested in if you'd like to read up and know more. Disclaimer done, let's get into these next two categories. Let's go. So starting off here, we're just going to summarize the positives. So, the overall build quality, in my opinion, is top-notch, and the overall design, in my opinion, is top-notch. The overall fit and feel of this case on my device is really good. The overall protection that this case offers is top-notch. You have maximum protection with this one, and it is screen protector friendly and lens camera protector friendly as well. And also, it combines two must-have features. So you still have access to your MagSafe capabilities, which is really, really good, as well as you have an integrated kickstand with multiple ranges of adjustability, ranges or angles of adjustability. So you can use your device in multiple different ways. If you just want to set it up like this and take a video call, take a phone call, what have you, you can do that. If you want to set it like this and consume some content, you can do that, right? And you can do that in any orientation that you would like because this is fully adjustable. So if you want it more straight up, you could do it like that. If you want it to lean down a little bit more, you could do it like this and it leans down a little bit more. So now you have a nice integrated kickstand so you can use your device in a variety of different ways and you still maintain the full functionality of the device, but you also are maintaining that full protection aspect by including a case. So that is another really nice positive here. You do maintain features and you add additional features with the addition of the kickstand that you can use in multiple different orientations and multiple different angles. So that's another positive as well, the additional features added by the case. And then last, this particular case is available at a really great price. The price is something we're going to talk about in a little bit here. Okay? But that, guys and gals, essentially goes over all of the positives. Now, jumping over to the negatives, there really are only two negatives that I experienced in my time with this case, and I already pointed out both of them. Number one, the area that you touch the most, whether it be the back or the sides, is a fingerprint magnet. So I kind of wish that this case had a more fingerprint resistant or oleophobic coating to it to resist fingerprints, because I could see it, and once I could see it, I can't unsee it, so I'm constantly wiping down my device. And also, another negative is that the sides, where you hold the device the most, is still slippery, as if you don't have a case on it. So you got to be really, really careful when you're using your device in this case. Okay, so I do wish they had more grippy materials around the sides and more grippy materials on the back. So two negatives. They need a more fingerprint resistant coating and they need more grippy materials. Those are the only two negatives that I experienced in my time with this case. Okay? And to be honest with you guys and gals, I feel as though the positives that this case offers vastly outweigh the negatives. But that goes over the positives of this case and that goes over the negatives of this case. And keep in mind, This is just in my opinion, just in my experience, okay? Everybody's entitled to their own opinions, and everybody has their own different experiences. These are just mine, okay? Now let's move on and get into the final part of this review. Let's talk pricing. Let's talk overall availability. Let me get into sharing my final thoughts and make an overall recommendation. Now, in regards to the pricing, this is another case that I picked up with the batch of cases and screen protectors for the iPhone 15 Plus. I'll throw up the big screen. I wish I had a big screen in front of me. I'll throw up my screenshot digital receipt in post so you guys and gals know exactly what I paid overall. But talking about the pricing of this case in particular, it ran me $11.99. Keep in mind that does not include the taxes. That's before taxes. And this is for the black variant. As of the recording of this video, let me get to the live listing. It is still available for $11.99. So as of the recording of this video, it is January 21st, and it's still available for $11.99, so $12. And there is a 10% off coupon if you buy 2 or more cases. So if you buy 2 or more cases, you get 10% off. All right, and it does come in 3 different colors. So the one you guys and gals see in today's video, that is black, but they also have a green, and then they also have a pink as well. I'll have the B-roll thrown up in post so you can get a better idea of the pricing, and you can get a screenshot of the coupon, and you can also see what the different colors look like. Okay, I'll throw up that B-roll in post. But talking about the pricing, guys and gals, for that price, can I recommend that you guys and gals go out there and pick up this case for your device? If you're in the market for a case like this, I would have to say yes, yes indeed. Especially if you just picked up your iPhone 15 Plus or your iPhone 15 or your iPhone 15 Pro Max, because this is available for all the iPhone 15 models. Okay, this is not available for the 16s, but this is only available for the 15 models. So if you just decided to save a little bit of money and pick up the older 15 series, yes, I can recommend y'all pick up this case as well. This case should serve you well. Okay? So that, guys and gals, does it for today's video. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Also, if you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when new videos go live on the channel. Hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. Alright, so officially now, I think we have 3 cases left, and one of the cases that we have left to cover is my absolute favorite. You want me to give you guys and gals a hint? Y'all know if you see this style of case, that means we're keeping the device for the long haul. Yep, I got one of these style of cases for the iPhone 15 Plus, and this is actually my favorite style of case for my devices. That case should be in soon, meaning we will be covering that case soon for the iPhone 15 Plus. Yes, oh yes. You know I had to. You know I had to.